Welcome to the Yamahabros YouTube channel. We got my brother Jay, our pops Marky Mark, and my name's Matt, and we love fixing old Yamahas.
Alright, we're back on the Yamaha SRV 540 today. We got some chain case oil to put in it. We got a couple spark plugs. We cleaned the carb at work. We're gonna put it all back together and see if she fires up.
Wow. Yeah. Alright, we got all the bolts in the right place there?
Yeah.
Cool. Let me grab a funnel and I'll pour in some chain case oil.
Yep.
Oh, this is legit.
Oh. Yeah, just keep filling it till it comes out the hole.
That's what she said.
Yeah, baby.
Hit it. Get a little sea foam in there to lube it up a little bit. Jay will clean it out and we'll put that carb on there. Ooh, nice. All right, man.
Let's put the carb on.
Let's do it.
This is our garage.
Okay.
Motherfucker. I'm gonna put
Nice,
the pipe
nice.
on because we can do that. Good enough. Because I can. Holy shit.
What? Because you can? Holy shit. Okay.
Just do this shit with my fucking hands.
Why'd you dump it all over the ground?
I didn't. I dumped it on the sidewalk.
Why'd you dump it on the sidewalk?
Because it was water.
Oh.
He
And
saved
soap.
He saved a gallon or two of soap and water. All right, sweet. We got it all put back together. Put the carb back on there, cleaned it up. So 3 gallons of ethanol free. We'll maybe use a little bit of starting fluid. And
$5 a gallon.
yeah, man, 15 bucks.
That's why I don't ride snowmobiles.
It's a major rate.
You gonna spray some starting fluid in there?
I saw the tail. I thought it was a little spring. I was like, why is there a spring caught in there?
Aw, poor little dead mouse.
It's been in there forever. That's just freaking crispy.
That's a little chip.
Get a pair of pliers. Lift his dead ass out of there.
First
You get
start,
'em.
we're gonna grind up
You got
some
any
mice.
needle hose? Jesus. Shine your light in there, Matt.
He was trying to get out.
Yeah, right. He's as stiff as a
Oh
board.
man, that's disgusting.
He's been in there a long time.
I'm not there.
Hang on.
You don't need to be filming yet. It's gonna take like fucking 25 pulls.
I know.
It's gotta be. I don't know. It's over here.
But we got the gas in there. Got it propped up on this 4x4 post. We just got that dead mouse out of the way.
Now,
Ready to go, man. Let's get it.
Get it.
Where's the spray, Mark?
In my hand.
Get it.
We'll give her a sniff, but I don't think she's gonna do nothing. Go.
I heard something.
is it starting to?
Go ahead. I'm watching it right now.
It's moving.
No, they ain't even pulling it yet.
We need an automatic starter.
You got any air out here? We can pressurize that a little bit, maybe.
Air?
Air compressor?
Yeah, we got to find a way to prime that fuel pump.
No, we're just gonna hold it.
Smells like ether.
Ether didn't make it down there.
Let's try and prime that pump a little bit. Like Mark said, with the air or whatever.
That's what I would do.
Yeah, it's like right there. And you're actually forcing it through the pump, so keep doing that.
That's what we need. You tired?
Yeah.
You need it completely
Keep going. Keep going. It's like filling
Yeah,
the
get it
bowl.
all the way full.
Oh, like it's spring. Come on, baby, let's get this.
Get it.
First start of our $300 snowmobile.
$300. How do we get to the 300?
Free.
Free. Whoop.
300. What are you doing now? Taking it back out?
They're wet. That's why I quit.
Really? So you just gotta do that 5 times?
Yeah, 6,000 times till the seafoam's gone. It won't spark with no seafoam.
Oh, no, it's not wet. So, that's good. That's good. Now we gotta just get it from the carburetor into there.
Well, I did see that the boot for the car was torn a little bit. That's on the intake side. Should be fine. Again.
Is there a...
Oh.
Ooh.
Keep pulling it.
Turn the shock off.
So close. So close.
It's gonna start eventually.
Keep going. Hold on. Have somebody put their hand over that and see if it sucks your hand in too. That's how you really feel about it.
Yeah. That's good.
Cause you almost
All right,
made
so
the-
we're back working on the sled. We had to take the whole intake manifold apart because we found a bunch of pine needles and stuff holding the reed valves open. So we finally got that all back together, got the carb on there.
Found a mouse in the recoil, dead mouse.
Yep, Mark was playing the flute on the carburetor for us, right, Pops?
Yeah.
So maybe we'll get lucky and she'll fire right up. Let's give it a shot.
She might. She's gonna take a bunch of pulls, I'm thinking.
Go for it, man.
Turn the shit on, turn the choke on. The plugs.
Yeah, look at that. Freaking, the pump is working really.
Yeah, that's good. Smells like gas. Fired right up. All right, shut it off for a second. Wow,
Run straight.
legit, fired right up. Oh man, Jay, that fired right up.
Hell yeah, that's sick.
It's burning my eyes, that two smoke.
Things man.
That's some old oil.
That's all it was a bunch of weaves holding the reed
Them
cage
little
open.
helicopters they were.
Yep,
Yeah.
$300.
Yeah, thank you, Steven. There you go. You
All
want
right,
this?
we're gonna just pull this skid out real quick because that rear shock is collapsed. So before we really go beat it up, we're gonna try and straighten that out. So pull these 4 bolts out, drop that skid real quick.
Look at that track's like flat. Now it should come out.
Wow, perfect.
Bingo, bingo,
Sweet. That's supposed to be tight. That's just a torsion spring.
Huh?
Oh, that's you. That ain't me. Yeah, see, that's just a torsion spring. That ain't stuck.
Yeah, that's good.
You just gotta lube it up. All these shafts probably haven't been lubed in 25, 30 years.
Good. Yeah.
So the shock's just blown out right there.
Yeah,
Right?
something.
Or no, it shouldn't be. I don't know. That shock might be okay.
We gotta make sure, we gotta pull it way out first. That's
That's okay. Just get it laid in there first.
It's back by you.
Grab them.
You were holding me up.
You know what we gotta do? Just put those 2 front bolts in.
You have to do it that way.
Oh, it's up. The 2 things fell off either side, Jake. You gotta put those on first. Oh, did you?
Alright, put it in.
Got Mark, the master mechanic over here. Diesel tech. Caterpillar Hall of Famer. Right?
Right?
You got all them plaques, man.
40 years, I put up on
You gotta try and put the
Bottom wall.
the other side. Yeah, I can't bend
So you go to sleep, that's all.
Yeah.
Bend over and do it.
Yeah.
Did you have a nap today already?
About 5 seconds.
1 nap later.
All right, we got the skid back in there. As good as it's gonna get. Still doesn't look like there's a ton of suspension travel there, but.
Doesn't, not that much.
All right, Jay, fire it up.
See if she fires up.
Oh yeah. Spin the track a little. Smells good. No brake light?
The light works, but there's no, it doesn't illuminate when you.
Well, it's not plugged in. Are you plugged it in?
Yeah, it's like
It's all plugged in.
Did you look at that track, Pops? Did it look like it was flapping too much?
No, take her down. We'll take her down and
Jay's gonna ride it.
take her out for a little break.
Yeah, that's sick. Can't turn it. Hell yeah, bro. Sick. Get on there, Jay. Fucking ride a wheelie. What are you doing?
That's the best wheelie ride with him on, man.
Look at him turning it around. That's how you do it, and the neighbors coming out and shit. It cruises. He's just warming up. He's clearing it out. Get on there, Jay. Open it up a little bit.
How is that?
It's just got to get cleaned out a little bit, and it'll be going. It's got plenty of smoke. That's good, man. You can turn it no problem. That scoots right along, huh? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. That was going fast.
It's straight. I'm sure it runs better when it's cold out.
This you can barely even max it out right there.
Yeah. We need the field over there.
Let's go.
Yeah.
You want to right now? All right, one more time. Put it away now. All right, guys, that's going to be a wrap for this episode. We got it running and riding mint. Now all we need is a seat cover and windshield, then a couple inches of snow. We appreciate you watching and hope you subscribe because we got lots more projects lined up. So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one. Hell yeah.